Hi.
Hi, hi, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can. What about you?
Great.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. It's fine.
Yeah,
What,
that's
what,
cool.
tell me your name.
My name is Jaffer.
Jaffa. I'm
Yeah,
Marisa. Where are you from?
Marisa.
Marisa.
Neta? Your second
Yeah,
name?
Nieta. Well, Marisa
Nieta.
Nieta is a Spanish name.
Oh, really? Oh, that's
I'm half
cool.
Spanish. Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco,
Oh, cool.
near Spain.
I know, I've seen it from Cadiz. I've been to,
Yeah,
I've been to Cadiz and I've seen it and I've always wanted to go, but haven't made
yeah.
it yet.
I I I always see Spain from my city. I live in Tangier, if you know about it.
Oh, okay, sure. I do. I've heard of it.
Tangier.
Yes.
Yeah,
Nice.
so I mean the other side.
Have you been? Have you been to Spain?
No, not yet, but
Okay.
it's on my list. It's my first. It's the first country on my list.
Okay. So have you not traveled outside of Morocco yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
No, not yet. It's very
Okay.
complicated, so that's why.
Why? Why is it
I don't know, when it
complicated?
comes to the paperwork
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the
and
visas
stuff,
and
the visa,
yeah,
yeah, it's
I know it's a
tricky,
nightmare.
complicated.
I
Yeah.
understand. I understand.
Yeah,
Well,
for
yeah,
European person, it's very easy, but for
especially if
for
you're
someone
British.
from Africa, yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
I know it's very prejudiced, isn't it? I know
Yeah.
my partner is from Chile, so
hmm
it's more difficult for him, the whole process of getting a
Yeah.
visa and oh, it's a real nightmare. So why are you
Yeah.
learning English?
I don't know. I don't have a reason. So I'm just,
Maybe
yeah, just for communication. I enjoy it.
maybe
It's really, yeah. I like to, to listen to a lot of stuff, to learn about stuff and things. So English is very useful.
is your native language French?
No, not
No.
French. It's
You sound
Moroccan.
quite so there's an actual oh okay. I don't know if they speak
Yeah.
French in Morocco as well or not.
Yeah, we speak
In some
French.
areas. You sound French. You like your
Uh,
accent. It's a
yeah,
little bit
maybe.
French. Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, so
Yeah, my French is awful. So maybe I
what
have
do
the accent, but I don't have the French
you don't
language.
have the French? Un petit peu de français? I can speak a
Non,
weeny bit.
ok. Non, je ne parle
So,
pas français.
oh,
Bien.
tu peux parler un petit peu. I'm
Ouais, un
very
petit
bad
peu.
at French. Anyway, this is an English lesson. We're speaking in
Yeah, it's
French
okay.
now. So, what do you do? What do you do?
I work in the industrial field as a
Okay,
designer.
oh, you're a designer. What kind of design, though? Can you
We,
elaborate?
mm, we do mechanical design. We
Wow.
make some press tools.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
related to the automotive field and that kind of stuff.
what did
Yeah,
you
it's a big
study?
world.
Yeah, it's
I
not my
studied in a
world.
trade school. Yeah, I studied in a trade school. I got my diploma
Okay,
and
cool. Do you enjoy
I
it?
started working. Yeah,
Do you
sometimes, yeah.
Is it challenging and
Yeah, it's
creative?
very challenging. Yeah.
Cool. Okay,
Yeah,
so
it's
tell me,
very challenging.
and
It's very
creative.
cool. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Um,
What about
so
you? Are you
what do
teaching in Spain or
no, I live in Peru. In
Peru?
South
Yeah.
America, in South America. I used to
You
teach in
said that your
Spain.
partner is from Chile. Chile. So he's
Yeah.
not from Peru. Okay,
So
Chile.
basically, I'm English. Well, I was born in England, so I'm very
Mm-hmm.
English in the way I am. But my mother is Scottish and my father's Spanish. My father's
I
Spanish.
see. And how
Yeah.
you ended up in Peru?
Well, I always ask myself that. No, well, basically, I traveled. I liked traveling mainly to India. I used to always go to India, but then my mother said, "Oh, go to somewhere else." So I went to South America, and I met my partner, and we had a baby. So I
Oh,
have
that's
an
cool.
almost
Yeah.
it's almost 2 now. So I've been here in Peru for 5 years, up in the Andes, you know, the
Yeah.
mountain range. It's beautiful. It's
Yeah.
really, and I like it. It's
Yeah.
simple living, simple living.
Yeah. I've heard that those countries are really nice to live
Yeah,
in, you know, the cost of
yeah.
living, the people,
It's
and
quite
everything.
exactly. I mean, the Peruvians are cool. You know, I live here. You have the indigenous, um, you know, from this region, and then you have Limeña people from Lima come. And then
Mm-hmm.
you have quite an alternative community of people you know, from all over, and I'm one of those. So
Yeah.
yeah, no, it's great.
And
So yeah,
you said that you traveled to India many times.
love
Yeah.
India.
How was the
India's
experience?
massive.
Yeah, I've heard that India is a big world, you know,
It's mad. India's
yeah,
really. I mean, I think it's. I haven't been to so many places, but it's extreme, you know, and I find it interesting and beautiful. And
mm-hmm,
difficult also because I've always gone on my own to India. So as a woman, you have
yeah,
to be quite
yeah, be,
careful. But I like, you know,
yeah, and
I'm
extra
also,
careful.
yeah, there's things I'm drawn to like yoga and you can study a lot. I play instruments, so
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you should go. So
Yeah, and
what,
India is a very spiritual
and if,
place.
yeah, exactly. And I'm quite spiritual. Are you? Are you spiritual?
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Sometimes, not always.
Okay.
You know, I'm still young, so when it comes to the spiritual stuff,
Mm,
I'm not, you
sure.
know, interested so much. But I don't know. Yeah,
Sure.
I'm into it a little bit. I look
It's
into it
interesting.
sometimes,
It's
you know.
interesting as well. But yeah, I'm not religious, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm spiritual, and I like to study. I mean, I liked aspects of Buddhism, and I like aspects of Hinduism. I don't know much else.
Yeah.
That's the thing. But I think there's interesting things in a lot of religions. Not all of them.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, not all of them.
I went to a Catholic school, but I'm definitely not Catholic. I'm not. That's probably the least one I'm drawn to.
Yeah.
um,
Yeah,
but where
when
do
it
you?
comes to the
Yeah,
spiritual things, you know, each religion has its own stuff, its own
sure,
rituals, you know. And
exactly.
sometimes you find them similar. When you compare
Yeah,
them, you can see some similarity
of
between them, but
course. I think
sometimes there
the
is a big
essence.
difference.
Yeah, yeah, of course. I think the essence. I think things have got quite twisted, and you know,
Yeah, I don't know. Here we are very open. I don't
in
know
Morocco,
to other, yeah, in other, you
of
know,
course.
religions. I don't know, we are okay with them. There are some people who are very strict. When you
Yeah,
talk to them about other religions, they're like, you know, they're very closed. They're not
sure,
even open to discuss this kind of stuff with you. So
sure.
when you say that the religions, there are like many, but when you dig into the concept, you find there are a lot of things that are similar. So
Of course, I agree with that. Ha-
but yeah, sometimes they just say no, our religion is the best,
mm,
you know, blah 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 blah. But you know, when you try to
exactly.
explain,
And then there's
yeah,
wars, and I know it's
yeah,
ridiculous. What? How would
and
you
that's
describe? Sorry,
what?
go
Yeah,
on, go on.
go
No,
go. No, no.
I was going to change the subject. Finish
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you
okay.
want. What did you want to say? Did you?
No,
No.
no. If I
Okay.
forgot.
I wanted to ask you. Sorry. Well, how would you describe Moroccan culture? What's your culture like? What do people like? The art, the
Mm,
music, the.
you know, the culture is different. So if you are in the north, the culture is different than in the middle and the south. So, but in general, it's I don't know how to explain it, but people say it's a special culture when they come here. I don't know. I'm living here, so I cannot see the difference. You know.
Yeah, you can't compare it because you
Yeah,
haven't.
maybe I have to go
That's
out
going to
to
be
another country
interesting.
and
Yeah.
stay there. And when I go back to my country, I can say the difference, you know. I'm living here, I cannot, you know, see the
Exactly. Well, when are you plan? Oh, obviously there's the virus now and the whole pandemic.
Yeah,
But
maybe soon, maybe next year, maybe 2 years from
what are
now.
your
Depends.
do you have a plan? I mean, are you going to be
I don't know. My first
backpacking
plan
or
is to visit Spain and France. Maybe
or
at the same, I'll go for one travel Spain, then travel to France, then come back
sure?
because of time. I don't have a lot of time.
What are
And
your
maybe,
sorry?
hmm what?
Um,
What is your question?
sorry, I keep interrupting. I was going to
No,
say,
it's okay, no problem.
do you have any expectations? Do you kind of think, oh, Spain's going to be like this, or France is going
I
to
don't
be
know.
like
I
this?
had I had a Spanish boss,
Oh, right.
and he said that in Spain is like Morocco. So
Oh, is
people
it?
in Spain are similar to the people here
Okay.
in Morocco. I don't know I forget how he explained it, but when he was here,
Mm.
he was always saying that he feels like he's in Spain, in his country.
Oh, wow.
So
Okay.
there isn't so
I
much
won-
difference, you know?
I wonder what part of, do you know where he's from exactly? What part of
Uh,
Spain?
it's Catalonia, I think, Barcelona.
Oh, okay. It's different though, because I have to say, people from Madrid, I mean, my
Yeah, I don't know.
parents lived near Madrid, but they're more conservative. You do have that kind of that vibe as well, you know, in
Mm, mm,
but Barcelona is
yeah,
much more liberal. It's more kind of international. You get people from all over, and it's a
yeah,
coastal city as well.
yeah.
So
Just from my
people are,
experience with him, I would say that they are, I don't know, very cool people. They're
okay.
open
Oh,
to a
that's
lot of
nice.
stuff.
Well, I think you get a mix. I'm just going to be honest. There's a mix. It depends
Yeah,
where you go. It does depend where you go because you get the very conservative type as well. But maybe in
yeah.
Morocco it's the same. Mm,
That's why it's the same. There are
mm.
conservative people. There are the open, people. So
Sure.
it's similar in that way.
What do you do in your spare time then? What do you have any other interests or hobbies or what
Hmm.
do you do on the weekends?
I like sports. I like to watch sports. I like to do sports.
What
And
athletics or what kind of
yeah, I'm
sports?
not. Yeah, I don't look so athletic, but I watch more than I do. You know.
Sure. So I watch more than I
Yeah,
practice. I watch
yeah.
more
I
than I
watch more than I
practice.
practice.
Okay.
Yeah,
What football? Are you a football
football.
fan?
Yeah, and yeah, I'm into the Spanish league. Yeah, because it's near. You know why?
Sure, sure. Do you live by so you live by the coast?
Yeah, by
That's
the
nice.
Atlantic coast,
Yeah, it's cold, isn't it?
Mediterranean coast. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Mediterranean's a bit warmer, but there's
So
a
two
lot of
sides.
in Spain.
What?
In Spain, the Mediterranean coast. All the
Mm-hmm.
English, all the English have taken it over. So it's a real kind of touristy, but very British. Everything's in English. I've never been, and I never want to go,
Yeah,
but I've driven past.
Gibraltar. It's
Yeah,
I don't
exactly.
know.
That belongs
It's
to
owned by
England.
the British government.
I know it's
There is
ridiculous.
that mountain in the middle between Morocco and Spain, and it's owned
Sure.
by the British government. I don't know why, but they are
I know.
here.
Tell me about it. Some kind of corruption. Anyway, we're running out of time. It was really
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, you have to say goodbye. Yeah, thank
Yeah.